Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you can see from my title, I will be trying a Painted by Spencer makeup look. It's the supermodel glam look that he did a while back. So I want to see if his techniques would work for me, and I really like this look, so I was like, bump it, we're gonna try it. So I have the video right here to my right, your left. Most likely by the time I edit this video, so basically me looking across because I'm looking at that. I have my mirror right in front of me. So let's get this thing started. I would have the link to the original video down in the description box. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so the first thing that he does is apply a serum to the model's face with his beauty blender. I ain't got no serum, so I'm going to apply my primer, basically, which is the Wet n Wild Matte Photo Focus primer. So let's do that. So primer on. Next.
It just helps unify everything.
Yeah, I'm using my foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Cappuccino. So yeah, this might be a little bit too dark, but it's better than what I had before. So yeah, most likely I'll have to like mix two to get my proper shade, but this does the trick. So I'm gonna continue using it until I like shade match myself properly. So he takes it and he goes in with the beauty blender. Okay, so after he finishes the foundation, he goes in with highlight. I would use the Jordana 2-in-1 Concealer and Foundation in the shade Natural Beige. Usually I use the Fawn, but he went with like a way lighter under eye concealer. So let's see how this works out. And he didn't even put a lot. He put like a little bit right here, literally, like that amount. That was it. And then he put a little bit here as well. And then he took his beauty blender and he blended it out. Okay, cool. So that is he highlight and the foundation. Let's see what else he does. Alright, okay, so then he goes in with a setting powder to set the face. So I would go in with my True Color finishing powder in the color, well, the shade 600, which is dark. And he went in with a powder puff to like press it into the skin. So that's what I'm gonna do too. I have my little powder puff there. So we're gonna do that now. Okay, so after that, let's see what he does.
The dark deep shade.
Okay, so now he's going to bake. He baked with the same translucent powder. I would not bake with this powder because this powder is like about a shade or 2 shades darker than me. So I would bake with the Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup setting powder. So that's what I'm going to use now and put it exactly where he put it on the model. Okay, cool. So that's what he did. Now I think he goes on to the eyes.
So we already applied a tad bit of concealer there earlier, so I'm making sure that we see
Yep. Okay, so basically what he's going to do now, he took a brush and used it with the same powder that he used to set. First he went in to make sure there had no creases, then he went in with the powder and put it, so that's what I'm doing, putting the powder, hi. Same thing, going with the finger, make sure there are no creases, cream powder, hi. And he went all up here, so I'm gonna go all up here too. Okay, so then he went in with a bronzer, so basically a shade that's like a shade to 2 shades darker than her, and bronze her face. He did a reverse contour where he warms up the parameters of the face and then blends everything together. So I would use a brown from the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette that I could use as a bronzer, and use that to do what he is doing as well. Okay, so let's bronze, shall we? Okay, so let's forget to do she knows. So you take the same brush like this and you can down, chin it a little bit. Like so. I like to bring it up into my thing there. And that's what she did you. Okay, cool. Oh! My nose looks snatched. Yes, nose. Yes, nose, you snatched. You stay snatched. Yes, sis. Okay, next. Okay, so then he goes in with blush. Although I don't like blush for shit, but he used like a pinky kind of color. I like this orange. Ooh. I like to use this orange color in the palette as a blush, but because I'm following the video, let me see if there's like a pink. I don't like blush that I could try. Alright, so he went in like with a pink and like a peach. I will go in with this and this, so I'll mix, or this and this. So I'll mix either these two or these two and put it as my blush, because I told you I do not like I despise blush. I despise it. I honestly don't like it. Well, pray for sis, because I don't like brush. Okay, am I just going with this one or no? Because this kind of looks like the color that he's using on the girl, so I just went in with this kind of coral looking pinkish orangish kind of blush. Okay, not too bad. And this is exactly what it is, so not too bad at all. Now he going in with brows. Although I don't like to do my brows last, but we following the people and them things. So now he's going in with brows. He did her brows and then he went in with concealer like right under the brow bone, and then he blended it out. Let's see how that goes with sis. Or you know, sis and brows. I like to do my brows before, but yeah. So let me see what sis could do here. The good thing is that he cleaned it up, but I still can't like make any type of mistake. Then he went in with a concealer brush, well, a clean concealer brush, and he blended it out. So I will do the same. So then Mr. Man went in with a black gel pencil. I don't have a black gel pencil. I have a black gel eyeliner. Because he did a black smoky eye. So I'm sorry if I should like really attempt using that, or if I should just like a brown smoky eye. But you know, I have to stay true to it all. So black smoky eye it is. To be honest, I think I can't do the thing how I want to do it. So basically I'll put some of the black gel and then I would blend it out with a brown and put black. Oh my god, you see why I don't like to do all this after the fact? You see that? I am so annoyed. So annoyed, look at that. To do like eyeshadow after you're done with your skin, like it just don't make sense to me, okay? In with a cute deep brown to blend that baby out. All I need, carnival, all I need, festival, all I need, whatever you get, take it. Okay. Oh, the real kicks on? Real kicks to this thing. Cause like I can't like, you know, put any foundation in it, so it's powder to go there to mute down that. Oh, sure. Okay, I think this is it here. I look like if I'm a raccoon. Like if I have raccoon eyes. Not too sure I'm liking this look, to be honest, but we gonna finish. So the next step is lashes, which I will do off camera. I know I spawned lashes already. So lashes on. No, lashes kind of save this look. Thank you, Jesus, for lashes, you know. So this goes sometimes. So the next thing that he did was, well, obviously put on mascara on the model.
Peach stop lipstick and lip gloss, all from MAC Cosmetics. And lastly, with the Urban Decay on there, setting spray on your skin as much as the face to ensure that it
Then he did the lips, which was basically a brown lip liner with like a peachy kind of pinkish lip, and then clear gloss over it. So we're gonna do that now. Basically he did highlight off camera, but I would do it on camera. Let me just put on my mascara. So this is the finished look. All I really and truly thought this was gonna be like a hot feel, because the way them eyes was looking, like sis did not have any kind of hope that this was going to come out half as good as it actually came out. So thank God for lashes, that's number one, and thank God for being able to blend my eyes. Yes, so this is the finished look. The pros and cons, in my opinion, I love his skin technique. Like, my foundation looks flawless. I love it, I love it, I love it. I honestly think I would incorporate this into my own makeup application techniques, as well as when I do clients. I really like his skin technique. However, I will be doing this skin technique after I finish eyes, because you see that hot mess that went on there with these eyes today? Like, that should not happen to me at all. So I would do his skin technique after I do whatever I want to do on my eyes or my client eyes and call that George, so I wouldn't have like the level of anxiety that was there today with this eye look. Okay. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.